Hello friends, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to my channel Pinto Vinay Cuisine, and in today's video I'm going to show how to make Goan Polle, even called koiloreos or Sulodeos. It's a Goan comfort food and a very healthy option for breakfast. Goes very well with curry, and if you have even leftover curry, which is a very good option as well. So let's get started. It's a simple recipe and yet very delicious. Everyone will love this for breakfast. What you basically need is what I've taken is rice, which is brown rice. In Goa, we call it ukde. It's an unpolished rice. With locals, you get it very easily. And I've taken 1.5 cup of rice. Then I have grated coconut, which is 3/4 cup. Then I have cooked rice. It gives you a better body. Even when you cook them, it doesn't get stick. So I've taken 3 tablespoons of cooked rice, and also I have sugar, which is 1.5 tablespoon, just to give the mild sweetness. And also what we need is salt. So now this I've soaked this rice overnight. Which you need to do, what you need to do is you need to clean the rice, wash and soak it and keep it overnight. That what I basically did. And also now what I'm going to do is we need to blend all these ingredients. Now I'm going to strain this rice, and then by adding sufficient amount of water, we need a thick batter, fine paste. So let's get started. So let's blend all the ingredients. What I did is I've discarded the water, as you see. Then by adding coconut, cooked rice, and sugar, we need a fine thick paste, not too much water. In case if we need more water, we will add later on. Guys, check this out. This paste is ready now. It's thick paste. Add this to the bowl. And by passing water, mix this properly. Now what you basically need to do is we need salt to taste. You need some more water to this, as it is, you can see it's still thick. This is mixed now. Keep this for at least 20 minutes on the side, and then we'll start to fry them. Guys, check this out. This is the right consistency. Now what you need is a non-stick pan and ghee. What you have to do is make the pan hot, add ghee and just brush it. Don't add too much. This is how it should be. Now this polle, when you make, you realize it is cooked only on one side. That is why we need to cover this and keep to cook it on top layer also. So check we still have the moisture. Let it cook for a while and then we will cover this and keep. Now I'm going to cover this. Guys, check this out. This is ready now. What we need to do is basically we need to flip it over. This is how it should be. This is how polles are made. The same process till we finish with the batter, or you can even make how much you want and keep the remaining batter, and you can use it for next day even. Guys, check this out. This is how polles are made. This is ready now. One side should be golden brown and the other side, the upper side should be white in color. Now what we need to do is basically we need to flip it over. This is how it should be. Check how lovely it looks. Guys, check this out. This is how polles are made. Now you can make this, try this at home. This is how it should look. How lovely they look. Guys, please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and share it with your friends and family, and God bless you all. Thank you very much for watching.